Is there a LinkedIn AI writing tool that can do better than humans? Can it cause you to be more viral, get more visibility? That's what we're going to be tackling in this video. I've been using a tool called MagicPost for a while now, and boy, it has gotten better even since I started using the tool. So let me show you exactly how I use this tool. So this is a tool that is primarily focused on improving your visibility and influence on LinkedIn by doing a daily post. Now, the challenge is you may not be an expert copywriter. So, how do you write viral hooks, things that stop the scroll, get people intrigued, get them interested, and give them value, and do it in a way that is optimized for LinkedIn? Now, this is not something that ChatGPT can do by default. It tends to be a little generic, a little vanilla, and that's why I love this software so much. So let me just jump in and show you how easy it is to sit down and create a bunch of content. Now, typically what I like to do is I will sit down one day a week, typically on Mondays, and I will write one post a day for the next 7 days, and I will schedule it. One nice thing about MagicPost is it has a scheduler for LinkedIn. Now, it doesn't have all the other social media platforms. You'll have to use a different tool for that. But I love that it's really focused in on LinkedIn, a platform that I'm actively growing as I speak. So we come in here, the first thing we're going to see is the generator. Now, the generator is where you can generate your ideas. So you can start with actionable, inspiring, introspective, promotional, and depending on what you choose, it'll pick a category, and it has different types of categories here: striking advice, useful resources, company sagas, best practices, list of tips, experience and feedback tip. Or you could just click an automatic category down here and let it just find the best use for your topic. If you hover over this try example, it pops in these little examples. If you just sit here and watch it, I think that's cool. May or may not be relevant to your particular niche. Down here under parameters, it is using my tone. So when you connect your LinkedIn account, it goes and analyzes your past content so that it writes more like you and your style, which is really cool to make it personalized for you. You can decide, do you want to have a lot of emojis, adapt to the writing style? None. I put a lot. You can look at the different languages, the AI models, which I just have it on this kind of MagicPost 2 at the time of this recording. Advanced options, you can give it specific instructions. You can put a signature at the end of the post, whatever your signature is, and you can also add a custom hook, which we'll look at in just a second. All right, so basically you put in your thoughts, your ideas, and you can make this really as long as you want it to be. You can write out a whole story and ask the tool to take your story and turn it around into something. So that's that. Now, if we flip over here, you will to this little paperclip, you can throw in a web page, like a blog post you've written, take your YouTube video that maybe you created, and it'll create a post based off of that. If you flip over here to templates, you can upload your own templates. You can see here, I've got a ton of templates. So if I want to don't waste time, I've added a template in here. Lies you've been told, anyone can do it, stop something, do this, stop whatever the topic problem is, blah, 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 blah. And I got this from some of the templates that I have been collecting inside of Notion, and I just simply loaded them up in here. And by the way, if you're enjoying this so far and this is fascinating to you, you can get 10 free LinkedIn posts just trying out the tool with my special link down below. It's my affiliate link, but it will help support this channel. And if you want, you can also, if you choose one of the annual plans, you can get 20% off the annual plan by using the code that you see right here on the screen. So that is that. Go try it out. 10 free posts just for giving it a whirl. All right, let's get back at it. So if we come over here to editor, I don't use this one as much, but you can copy and paste anything you want and just use this as kind of writing your own post. So you can do that in here. If you go to the My Post section, this is where you can see your, and I'm zoomed in a little bit so that you can see good, but you can see the ones that you have scheduled. and ones that have already gone out. So you can see here, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got about 6 days still scheduled out, which is nice. The ideas section is a great part of the platform. So what I love about the ideas section is that you can put in the top 10 or 12 categories. So think of them as themes. If you were to take your niche, what are the 12 to 15 most common things you talk about? And then add those themes into the tool, and it will generate ideas based off of the different style posts. Let me show you an example. So if I come in here and I open this scroll down, these are ones I've added in the past. But let's say I want to do one specifically about blogging. So I'm going to type in blogging with AI. For the post styles, let's just say I'm going to check all these so it pulls from any of these post styles, and let's hit generate ideas. So the tool is going to generate some ideas for me, and there we go. Optimizing your AI, how AI is transforming blogging, 10 essential rules. Under striking advice, while relying solely on AI for blog writing might not be the best idea, so contrarian viewpoint on the topic. And then if I want to generate more, I just click on this, and it's going to generate a few more ideas. And if, let's say, top 5 AI tools every blogger should try. Let's say I like that one. I can hit the little heart, and then when I click over to heart, here's the ones I've saved. I instantly have ideas. What do you think about this? Is this pretty cool? Are you enjoying videos like this? Would you let me know? Hit the like button or even subscribe to our show. And also hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when a new video drops. All right, so I love this because for many of us, we get stuck with ideas, but you can generate endless ideas with this. So let's look at book royalties for self-published authors. 7 essential rules every self-published author should follow to boost royalty income. So let's say I really like that, right? So one of the things I like to do, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to come over here to hooks. Now, I like generating a hook for the topic. So I'll paste the topic in, and I'll hit generate hooks. And generating a hook, these hooks are really important for LinkedIn because you've got to be able to stop the scroll. If someone's not stopping the scroll, that may be the problem why you're not seeing the engagement, the likes, and the comments. And so I spend some time looking at these to make sure it's something that I would be interested in, right? Boost your book sales with these 7 golden rules. Looking to boost your self-publishing. I've uncovered 7 strategies that skyrocketed my book royalties. Ooh, that one's good. So now that I like that one, I can hit the little copy, but I can also hit use. When I click on use, this is where the magic happens for me. It puts my original topic that I found here, and it puts it into my custom hook to make sure it's going to use that. All right. So now we're going to look at this, and let's do list of tips. Actionable list of tips, 7 rules. So we're going to click generate post, and watch, this is where the magic happens for MagicPost. It's going to, right before our eyes, it's going to start generating the hook, and it's going to generate those 7 strategies. Now, I'll be honest, as this is completing, I don't always just use what it gives me because I want to bake in my own experience. So this is a draft for me to come in and say, oh, it didn't mention one of the ways that I earn book royalties that I think is important. I will completely write that section. So I don't always just take what it gives me verbatim, but boy, the hook and the idea, and then at least a draft that I can work from. It's a lot easier when you have a draft. So if we look back over here, we can see it talks about optimizing your book description, pricing, create a series, build your email list, leverage multiple formats. These are actually really good. All things that I do. This is great. All right, so this is a good post. Now, a couple things that you can do from here. You can click on up here, you can click on copy to clipboard, and this makes it easier for you to go over and also put this on Instagram or put it into another scheduler, put it over on Facebook if you want. If we go down here and click on change with AI. It's going to regenerate the post. It's going to change the hook, reduce the length, or you can ask it a specific thing you want it to do for the post. Down here along the bottom, you've got editing options. You can insert emojis. You can click on mobile display. It'll show you what it's going to look like on mobile. Show see more, and you can see where it's going to cut off the see more. So that's interesting, right? We can add an image. So you can add an image, a video, a carousel, which I often experiment with these as well. And then this is where you can schedule it. So I can publish it right now, or I can hit the schedule to go schedule it. Yeah, that is pretty awesome, right? Now there's this new section at the time of recording that is called inspiration. It's coming soon, where you're going to be able to find popular people on LinkedIn and gain inspiration, not copy their content, but use their format or their template and create your own topic or comment inside of it. There's also the metrics section. You can jump into these metrics, and since it's hooked up to your account, you can find your best posting time, your best formats, your best hooks. So you can see what these are considered your best hooks from your latest post. My format that works the best so far is an image on Mondays. That's the recommended time, the theme, the type, the question, our hook. A question seems to work best for my audience, and a lot of cool stats. So what do you think? Pretty awesome, huh? You can actually get, again, 10 free posts to go try it out without even a credit card. You can just click on that link below and go try it out. Increasing your visibility on LinkedIn is great, but what do you ultimately want? What I want is email subscribers. And I recorded a video on my favorite 7 ways to grow an email list fast. And you're going to want to check out that video right here. Jump over and we'll see you over there.